Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so guys, I'm back. I'm starting to get back in motions of things. I like to tell you guys that how I'm feeling pretty well. I've been doing pretty well, but anyway, let's get to it, right? So anyway guys, it's basically just explaining why I like promoting the $25 business. It's essentially affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which I think is a way to build up income. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna look at our results here from today. Here, say Wednesday. It looks like we did not get a sale, but let's refresh to make sure, guys. Make sure you refresh. I want to show you guys real results. That's why I refreshed the page. It's very easy to change all these numbers around, so that's why I do that. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal at all. Okay, not a big deal at all. So first thing we want to do is get you the link here, guys. Get you the link for this. Use any of these links. This is the one I use, the all-in-one business. That's the one that's been working for me. All right, guys. So you should see a link in the description, incomespeech.com. The first link down there should take you to this page here. And this page here talks about the system, the business I am particularly promoting. It's a funnel builder, $25 per month, but you get paid 80% of the commissions. That means you get somebody in the system, you get $20 out of that $25. There's other products in the system as well, and you can make $100 off of one person, $120 per month off of one person. All right, guys, remember that. That's why this is so helpful, because it's generating income. It's not just you get a sale, you generate income. But anyway, you decide you want to try this out, you just click on one of the green buttons here. It's going to take you to this page to put all your info in. Okay? And you can also try the other product here, which is essentially training that's constantly updated on how to get sales and stuff like that, and what words to use and all this and stuff, right? It's right here. It says yes, ad free trial and test database. If you get a sale while you got this on, right, you can keep that $100 even though you don't have the product. You understand? All right. So that's why when you click on my link, you get that for free. So make sure to do that as well. You can always stop it if you want. You know, you don't get a sale, you can just stop it. No big deal. And that's all there is to it, guys. Just want to show you that part. Once you log in and all that stuff, you're gonna need some way to promote the product, and that's when you come to my lead gen secrets here, guys. That's going to be the second link in the description there. It's going to take you to this page here. They're going to give you leads every day. They give you leads every single day. Okay, guys, 100 leads every day. Okay, and the beauty of it that they're all from America. Okay, so anyway, we're going to put you in like that. So let that move off. You do get sales with this product as well. It's been working for me fine. It's just simply the easiest way to promote a product, especially when it comes to making money online. Okay, you just do this every morning. You can make some extra income just by simply doing this. A lot of people promote ClickBank as well. You can promote anything you want. I personally like promote this product, so we're gonna just keep doing that. Gonna load that. We're gonna hit perfect timing. Make sure the email sends and stuff like that. This is the email that I've written personally, guys. Now, if you want to copy this email, I'll show you guys. Blah, blah, blah. Boom, 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 boom. You just pause the video when you need to copy something. And that's all there is to it. Get your link in right there. The link I showed you at the beginning of the video there. That's all there is to it. I'm going to erase my face here. I'm just testing this out to see if I can get more sales doing it. Alright, guys, that's all there is to it. And then you just send the email. Make sure you preview and make sure your link works. If your link works, it don't even matter if they want to buy it. Okay, guys, make sure it works. I've heard complaints before for some people that they try to buy the product and the link doesn't go to the product. So make sure your link works. It's extremely important. Okay, guys. And I already checked these links. I know they work. Matter of fact, I'll check it just to show you guys. You just click on it like that, and it loads up. You see that? Goes to the page. So it works. But make sure it works for you guys. It's extremely important. That can stop you from getting like a gigantic sale. Remember that. All right, guys, and that's all. And you send the email, and that's all there is to it. Now, it took me about 5 minutes to make this video. If you got the links in already, all you really need to do is just come to this here and repost the email you already sent or something like that. And it's very simple, easy process, quick. I don't know what else to say, guys. Very easy to do. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.